It's not even like my top 10. Hello, Internet. Hello, YouTube. Hello, friends. It's so good to see you. Thanks so much for coming back. We are going to be unboxing Play by Sephora. For those of you that are not familiar with Sephora Play, this is literally the last $10 beauty box in existence. This time last year, there were 3: Birchbox, Sephora, and Ipsy. Now, everyone else has gone up in price except for Sephora. If you're looking for a cheapy box that just gives you samples to start off with, this would be the box to pick. Sephora Play runs $10 a month. It is plus tax, so I end up paying about $10.70, and usually includes 6 sample size products. Now, you do have to fill out a profile for Sephora Play. You usually end up getting a version which could include skincare, hair care, makeup, and usually a fragrance. You get a value of up to $65. Let's go back in time and see what's included in the Sephora Play for January 2020. Oh, before we get there, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That way you get to see some more of me. See, me. I usually do a ton of beauty box unboxings, and occasionally I'll throw in a random beauty video. Maybe it's something you like, maybe it's not. Just hit that subscribe button anyway so I can get my subscriber count up. Good. Yay, 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 yay. So opening up the box, first thing we have included is a little pamphlet, and the theme this month is Stress Busting Beauty Chart. At the back of it, it has a list of all the items included, a brief description about the item, and how to use it. They don't have any pricing information, so I'm actually just going to be looking at the website and putting up some prices. Well, this is the bag this month. They've actually done red before. I forget when exactly, but it's happened. And at the back it says, "What are you waiting for? Open me." And there is a little message right there talking about recycling the bag. Glam and Glow, and it's a super mud activated charcoal treatment mask. Allow this purifying charcoal infused mask to provide clarity for your skin. My face is freshly washed, so I'm excited to jump into this. Spread a thin layer over clean dry skin or spot treatment blemishes and visible pores, and leave on until it hardens. You'll feel it tingle. I don't like tingles. Can we skip the tingles, people, please? Oh, Jesus. Rinse off with warm water. Oh, I keep saying Glam and Glow. It's actually just Glam Glow. The standard size of this is 1.7 ounces, and it is $59. Wow, that's intense. That's a lot. The mini size is 0.5 ounces. Is this the mini? Yep, this is the mini size for 0.5 ounces, and this is $25. Really small for $25. There's a little seal on it. What else you need to know? This advanced clearing treatment instantly fights skin imperfections and skin problems, and is suitable for acne prone skin. Whose skin isn't acne prone? Looks like pretty much exactly what I expected it to look like. So I basically just put it on until it hardens. So I'm just gonna, nice little thin layer. Oh, it smells like, almost like licorice. And down my neck. Let's tighten that up too. This is $25. Wow, this is not gonna do nothing for me. Let's get a little bit more, because this $25 ain't doing much for my big face. I have it on fully, and it is tingling. It is tingling hardcore. It is like, whew. It is making my face warm. It is tingling. It is drying. It is, oh my goodness. It is like really going in. My nose right here is tingling like crazy. Right here. Oh my goodness. I don't know how long I could take this. I'm like waiting for it to pass, and it's not passing. It's just like, it's just going. I'm only like 2 minutes in, so this is right away. As soon as you have it on, it starts going in on your face. As you can see, it is still drying. The tingling subsides a little bit as it dries, but like when it's still wet, it's very strong. It's not unbearable, but it's definitely one of those things where you're like, get it off my face. Right now we're 3-4 minutes in tops, so it doesn't take a long time for this to dry. There is eucalyptus leaf in it, so that's probably that scent that I'm picking up. It's pretty strong. That's pretty much all I can smell. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't have tryptophobia, the whole thing, but my face is looking very creepy right now. Do you see it? Like, what in the hell? Oh Lord, this is like creeping me out. Sorry about that, but that was really creepy and gross. I mean, I like the fact that I can still talk while I have this on, as opposed to it just like seizing my face into one motion. The tingle was a little bit much. We are 7 minutes into the mask and I'm gonna call this done. I have that all rinsed off and my face, I don't know, it feels a little rough actually. It still feels rough, like what the hell? All that tingling? My skin's feeling dry. My pores do look slightly smaller. I will probably use this again. Will I go out and buy it? Probably not. Probably not. Those tingles are just really tingly. Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins. And it's a Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need this. And it comforts stressed out skin with reishi chaga and coprinius mushroom packed treatment that feels like water and soothes like lotion. First, shake the bottle to activate the ingredients, then pour into a cotton pad or fingertips and gently tap into clean, dry skin in the morning and at night. I don't know if this smells like mushrooms. I can't really say it does. Just like water. It does feel very refreshing on the skin. It definitely has a scent to it, but it's so light that I'm like, that's what mushroom smells like? Maybe someone with a stronger sense of smell might be able to pick up the mushroom scent, but I can't. I'm just like, okay. It's supposed to reduce the look of redness in just one use and preps just cleansed skin for serum and moisturizer. Full size of this runs $35 and that is for 6.7 ounces. And this is 1 ounce. So this is roughly about $5.22. That definitely had a calming effect on my face after all the dryness. Before I go any further, I'm gonna throw in a quick little tutorial, and this is for a subscriber of mine. I did a video about the Allure Beauty Box and she just wanted a quick tutorial about that eyeshadow, so I am just gonna do that and I shall speed it up so you don't have to sit through it. The eyeshadow is actually inspired by the cover of the ABH Norvina Volume 1 Pro Palette, because I was like, oh, that looks cool. Maybe I can do an inspired look. And yeah, that's what it's being inspired by. That's how I got my eyes done. Fingers crossed it actually looks good on camera, because it's the first time I've actually tried to film while I'm doing my makeup, because it's not that easy. Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. So I don't know if anyone's aware, but there is drama surrounding Kat Von D. There's been drama. And she recently apparently is selling her company, or just sold her company. It's definitely going to be interesting. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner. As the stars align to create this jet black liner that allows for tattoo-like precision and easy peasy iconic cat eye application. And that's what the tip looks like. It is really freaking pointy. What the liner looks like, I have to say, with the brush tip, this is probably one of the easiest wings I've done. They're not even, I know. It's freaking hooded eyes. I try to make it a little bit bolder than I usually do, but that is what it's looking like. And the standard size of the liner runs $20. 0.019 ounces, and this is 0.007 ounces. So this ends up being about $7.36. Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Take the stress out of foundation application with this smoothing, flaw disguising clear gel primer that makes your makeup last and last. And it is a clear gel, as you can see. It says dime sized amount. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Smells, if silicone had a smell, that's probably what it would smell like. And it is silicone. So maybe silicone does have a smell. You know, with the mask and this primer, I'm telling you, my pores are looking less and less. Usually they're like outstanding, but they are looking super blurred right now. So I am very, very happy so far. Yeah, my pores are looking, especially on this side, it's like almost non-existent. On this side, I can still see you though. I can see you. You refuse to disappear, but that's okay. I've learned to love you pores. Standard size of this would be 1 ounce, and it is $36. This is 0.25 ounces. This would be $9. I'm very happy with that primer. I might actually buy the large size. Is how well it blurred my pores. But let's not jump ahead of ourselves. Let's put that foundation on and see what's what. I have to say I'm really, really impressed with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I have my foundation on and I can barely see any pores. By the time I put on powder, I should be like absolutely flawless. Talk about Facetune in real life, what? Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray, 24-hour wear. I don't know why you have makeup on your face for 24 hours, but that is what it says. Keep your makeup in place from sunrise to starrise with this alcohol-free setting spray that helps protect against pollution. Hold bottle about 8 inches from your face, close your eyes, and spray in an X shape as the final step in your makeup routine. In an X shape, I never did that before, so let's see. Ooh, I do like that spray. It's more like a mist than a spray. I usually use a lot more. I feel like I missed, like right here. I have a big face, people. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more. I don't know about that X-shaped business. Yes, that feels so much better. I felt like you were like right here on my face. It was just too much. I was like, oh, why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? Standard size is 4 ounces and runs $31. You can also get a mini size for 1 ounce and that runs $15. And the sample that they said is 0.33 ounces. So this would be roughly about $5. It's really tiny for $5, but not bad. I am loving how this looks right now. It just looks like completely flawless, as flawless as I can possibly get anyway. A bonus item, and this is from Victor and Rolf, and it is Flower Bomb. You don't need to be an earth sign to appreciate this warm and spicy floral scent, featuring jasmine and patchouli. Ooh. I was pleasantly surprised the last time I encountered a jasmine scented perfume. So I'm hoping I'll be surprised again. Actually, I'm gonna spray it right on the cardboard first before I like scent myself in something I hate. Oh wow, it is really light and floral. There's like an undertone of something I don't like. Maybe like alcohol-y a little bit. Yes, there's like an alcohol undertone. That's spicy that I'm not a fan of. Actually, let me just put it on my hand. Maybe it's the cardboard that's doing that. Nope, still there. Still there. Yeah, they call it spicy. It's almost like an alcohol scent, just like pure alcohol that I don't like. I don't like it. I'm not a fan of it. I keep expecting it to like fade away and just leave the scent there, but it's not. It's not. No, I don't like it. It's like really sharp alcohol scent almost to me. And the fragrance family is warm and spicy. Well, I smell the spicy, not the warm. Top note is jasmine, middle is orange blossom, and base is patchouli. The standard size of this, and there are a lot of different sizes, the standard size is 3.4 ounces, and that runs $165. No, no. Although it does have 4.5 stars on Sephora, so it is a fan favorite, and it looks like it won Allure Best of Beauty in 2017, so it is definitely a fan favorite, just not my favorite. It's not even like my top 10. It's and this is 0.04 ounces, so this would be $1.94 for this. So that was everything in the box. Bye!